Hi, my name is Amit Srivastav. I'm based out of Pune. I work for Vodafone Intelligent Solutions in HR department. Apart from the learnings on all the modules, the one thing that I've learned is the connectivity. Along with that, the integration, the bonding, because in this diversified world, everyone is so busy in their own zone. But with this online connect every Sunday, one thing that I've literally learned is how to establish that connect despite how busy one is. Okay, yes. So coming to the campus, okay, it has been a different experience for me because it has boosted my morale. Online class, definitely I was focusing on the learning part, but offline gives me more, space to ask questions directly to the professor and also people from across the field. Since they are part of the program, if I have any ambiguity, I have also asked them. They have also expressed their knowledge. So in terms of that, definitely it's a matter of great learning and knowledge. That's what I have inherited from each one of them. First thing is the brand, XLRI, Xavier Labour Research Institute. Second is the LinkedIn Connect. Third is the knowledge from across the team members, across the batch of people who come from a diversified field. And fourth, from all the modules that have been covered, summarized into one. So these are the learnings, this is the connection, the integration and the bonding that has helped me. And I feel that tomorrow when I apply for any, for career perspective, these things will certainly add a lot of value in my career.